Hi guys, so let me take you to this place where I spent almost half of my life. Nandito ako ngayon sa Angeles City, Santo Rosario. So if you guys are familiar with this, ito yung street kung saan yung school ko. Ang dami nang nagbago dito actually. But some remained unchanged. Like yung mga Spanish house. I think may dadaanan pa tayo in a while. So, during my time, may supermarket pa dyan. Pero ngayon parang yung supermarket na wala na yata. I think it's still there, pero parang nagkaroon na lang ng building sa taas niya. So, ayan yung Dr. Bob's, yung yellow building na yan. I don't know what happened, bakit sarado na siya ngayon. Yan yung pinakamalaking school supplies na malapit sa school ko noon. And ayan, dyan kami lagi. It was the coldest place on earth. I mean, yung kapanahonan ko, I think that was 1990s or 8. I think that was 1990s naman. Hindi naman ako ganun katanda. So, ayan, fully aircon yan. Tapos, madami silang tinda dyan, guys. So, kapag Christmas party namin, ayan, kapag magpapasko na, halos nandyan lahat kami because mayroon din silang mga gifts na tinitinda. So, yung mga stuffed toys, ganyan. And also, syempre, yung mga pinamimigay din namin sa Christmas party namin were school supplies din. So, malapit na tayo sa school namin, no grade school ako, where I spent almost half of my life. So, actually, guys, ito na yung school ko nung grade school ako. So, nung preparatory hanggang grade 6 dito ako nag-aral. I'll show you. Ayan, pero ngayon medyo nakabakod na to. I mean, hindi medyo, talagang nakabakod na siya kasi nung time namin naka-open to eh. So, naalala ko noon, dito mismo sa harap na to, dito kami naghihintay ng service namin and then naghahabulan pa kami kasi we're trying to save the best seat for our service. And this is the church. This church has remained unchanged. Pero medyo, syempre inayos na yan kasi sobrang tanda na rin. And ayan yung school namin, Holy Family Academy. So noon open pa yan, wala siyang bakod. And maraming nagtitinda sa patio ng simbahan noon. And ngayon parang pinagbawal na eh. So ayan ginagawa yung church. And let us go to the chapel kung saan kami madalas magpunta. So ayan, we are on a parking lot sa patio ng simbahan. Noon pinapayagan pumasok yung mga sasakyan dito, mga services ng mga estudyante. Kaya punong-puno ng tao ito before. Ngayon parang hindi na. So this is the small chapel where I always go to pray. Ayan. So I have to turn this off now. I'll see you again. Bye.